We've got 5 games to win, and we've won the World Cup. Come on, England! Come on, England! Come on, England! Who are ya? Who are ya?
That was a good day out. Cold beer, good result for the game.
Great service.
I recommend it.
Good food, value for money. To the beer now, but I've got the carousel though.
This is very classy.
It is a fabulous item, but the more important thing is, it's for helping those less fortunate. We're all going to have a good time on our holidays and everything else. Some people won't see out the summer.
Up till this last week, Fabio's pretty much got everything right, so he's been beyond criticism. So it's a majorly difficult spell for them, and it's I think it's still in the melting pot how they handle it.
Last Friday must have been the worst experience of my life. I fully expected us to win 3 or 4-0. Easy. So much so that I put another house on it. I'm living in a tent down by the river now with her indoors. In fact, what worried me more than ever was they didn't even have the basics. They couldn't trap it. It bounced off them 10 yards. They couldn't pass it, they couldn't cross it, they couldn't head it.
So it's not going to be a walk in the park, whereas a week or so ago I think we all felt it was going to be a stroll in the park.
She said, my job, Harry, is to make money, so I can give it to you, so you can spend it. Well, I immediately fell in love with her. Have you ever had a woman say to you, she wants to make money to give to you, so you can spend it? What a relationship we had. I loved her.
You had a lunatic chairman, didn't you? Stan Flashman. Didn't you threaten to kill a player once?
We went in the Football League, we stayed part-time. In our first year, we got in the playoffs. In the second year, we got automatic promotion. During those 9 years, Stan Flashman sacked me 37 times.
Slovenia starting line actually play there. Oh, it wasn't a good one. So you're going to have to wait until bang on the hour until the match.
They've got the ability. They must know they've got the ability on that first half to go out there and win the game. That's all to do.
I think England, with the recession that hit us all, with a depressive budget yesterday, the worst I've ever known, everybody up and down the country is really down. We need England. They owe their fans to give us all a mighty lift. So come on, England!
actually. It was a really good event. For the amount of money and the appeal that it had to our guests, it was tremendous.
Yeah, it's been a cracking day. Really good.
Brian Little, absolutely fantastic. A good, honest merchant. Everybody respects that man.
Brian Little and Barry Fry, fantastic. Tom Ross, met them all before. Very good. Put on a very good show.
The company around the table was absolutely awesome. The beer was great. We just wanted England to get that extra goal before half-time to put the boys away, but we don't like to do that, do we?
Yeah, I think what a massive venue. I was quite surprised how big the venue was and the people that were here, everybody sort of gelled, everybody was good as gold.
It was great. The screens were brilliant. The venue's great. I'm looking forward to the cricket this evening. And the weather, as you can see behind me, behind my squinting, is absolutely superb. Full marks.